Delhi that Shahid Bilal is also a terrorist. It came in some newspaper. I am having that paper cutting. Then the public got more suspicious. Yeah, how can a Muslim plant a bomb in Makkah Masjid? While things were going on, suddenly these two bomb blasts came, Lumbini Park and Gogul Chowk. Then there was a lot of arrests, there was a torture, and there is a long story about the torture of police, how the Muslim youths were picked up, kept in private cells, farmhouses they kept it, they tortured. The entire force which was in charge of investigation of Makkah Masjid, Gogul Chowk, Lumbini Park, they had their own hidden that police officers were having some hidden agenda. Then the truth came. How the truth came in? When Kaleem, the accused number 3, he was in the Chanchalguda jail, he met one Swami Asimanand. He told every story to Swami Asimanand. Then the Swami Asimanand gave a statement, not in front of any media or a police officer. Swami Asimanand gave a statement in front of the CBI judge. Actually, he claimed that this is whatever the bomb blast, not only in Hyderabad but Ajmer, Delhi, and that Pakistan with the train goes there, the entire he owned responsibility of the organization called Abhinav Bharat. Then all investigation officers who were blaming the Muslim community, the MP who blamed a Muslim of Makkah Masjid blast, they were all very much feeling shy actually. So what I am saying, whatever is happening, that is a handiwork of some agencies which are out of India. They want this India should not grow. So before, no doubt, there are elements, unless and until a local element is there, they cannot plant a bomb. And unless and until there is a high conspiracy in anything, you cannot do anything here. So before arresting anybody, before claiming a community, you do your own investigation.
So you see the larger Hindutva agenda behind this training of Muslim youth.
Yeah, see, larger Hindutva means actually this is the entire remote is in the hands of Israel actually. That Israel and America doesn't want Pakistan and India to live properly as a good neighbors. So what they are doing, they are pumping up money in India and pumping up money in Pakistan also. So their sister, now who is on the ground, who is working for America and Israel? That is RSS. Everybody knows. How many ISI agents were caught till now? You can calculate it. There are more of Hindutva people who have been working as an ISI agent in India. You can name, I am having a list of ISI agent caught, RSS people who were caught as an ISI agent. There is a very less number of, maybe in a minor 1 or 2 people. So this is a greater conspiracy actually. The American and the Israelis want a Hindutva government in India. And they want BJP in power actually. So to come to power, they need to terrorize their own community, they need to terrorize the Muslim community. You are bombing a religious place, you are blaming that same community, you are arresting the same Muslim youths. See, it's like this, the politician is there, the police officer is there, the media is there, so they are sitting in one table, they are planning. One is planting bomb, the second one is blaming the Muslim community, the third one is arresting them, the fourth one is torturing them. Then they are saying that the Muslims are terrorists. How can you claim, you tell me? Before the Babri Masjid demolition and after the Babri Masjid demolition, how many bomb blasts occurred in India if you check out? How many people were arrested? The majority of the Muslims killed in the bomb blast in India are Muslims. How can a Muslim kill a Muslim, you tell me? Majority of the places which were targeted during the bomb blast are Muslim religious places. You name it Makkah Masjid, you name it Ajmer, you name it Malegaon, you name it, anywhere. So, you are targeting our religious places, you are targeting our Muslim youths, you are arresting the Muslim youths. It's a very greater conspiracy. It has been hatched from 10 to 15, 25 years back. That one person has written a story. Now this all they are acting, it's like that.
So